guys, how are you doing? Yesterday we talked about and learned about partitioning quadrilaterals. And we learned that depending on how many sections that shape is divided into, that they have a name for it. So if it's divided into 2 equal parts, they're called what? Halves. 3 equal parts, thirds, and 4 equal parts are fourths. All right, very good. So I have some shapes here. Look at this shape. You have a line going down the middle, going diagonal, and it's divided into 2 equal parts. So when it's divided into 2 equal parts, it's called what? Half. So this is 1/2, and this is 1/2, and they both make up the whole. All right. Our next one. How many sections do you see on this one? 3. You have 1, 2, 3. And when it's divided into 3 equal parts, it's called what? Thirds. So this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is 1/3. So it makes the whole, or we could say the whole, or we could say 3/3. And then our last one. My line isn't exactly equal, but it's divided into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. When it's divided into 4 sections, we say we have what? Fourths. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. All right, so look at my chart. Look at this first one. How many sections do you see here? You should see 4 sections. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see that I have a line going down the middle, and then another line going diagonal across this square and diagonal across this square. So we have 4 equal parts. But what happens if I color in one of those sections? Is that section still part of that this other section? Yes. So we could say that 1 out of 4 sections is shaded in. And the number that is not shaded in is 3 out of 4. Okay? Everybody understand that? So this is still part of these 4 sections, but one of them is shaded in. So we would say 1 out of the 4 is shaded in, and 3 out of the 4 are not shaded in. All right? We're not going to do the half. Y'all will be able to figure that one out. Well, let's do it real quick. We have 2 parts. We shade in 1 part. We say 1 out of the 2 sections are shaded in, okay, because we divide it into 2 sections. And so 1 out of the 2, or 1/2 of the sections are shaded in. All right, let's go to this one. How many sections do we see? 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to shade in 2 of them. How would we say this? We would say, how many sections are shaded in? 2. So 2 out of the 3 sections are shaded in. Or we could say 2/3. They're still part of this. They're still part of this whole, but 2 of them are shaded in, and 1/3 is not shaded in. Okay? And let's go to this last one. How many sections do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I shaded in how many? 2. So we could say this 2 different ways. We could say 2/4 of this shape is shaded in, or we could say half of this shape is shaded in. Correct? Because 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, half of 4 is what? 2. So we could say 1/2 or 2 out of the 4 are shaded in. All right? So you're going to be practicing doing that today with your discussion post. See you later.